In this video, we'll be showing you how to delete an event. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. Then, from the main navigation, head to Admin, Events, and then from the Manage menu for the relevant event, select Delete. Please note that if you do delete an event, none of this information will be accessible again. If your event has just been postponed, then you can amend the sales dates for the event so that they are in the past. And then check the Only Show Event Between Sales Dates checkbox and click on the Update Event button. This means the event and products are no longer displayed and available to purchase for your customers. If the delete button for the event is greyed out, it means you would need to delete any child products first. To do this, click on Tickets and Products, and then from the Manage menu for the relevant product, select Delete. The delete option could also be greyed out if there is any financial information against the event, i.e. existing ticket sales. And that's it, you now know how to delete an event. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.